sure what he's doing. He was walking around and he hopped on the table. Then I started videoing. Now he's gone to a seat. Oh. He's down there. Oh, there's another one. Here's the original one. Okay. Something's going on between these two. I'm in the courtyard of the University of Puerto Rico Sciences building. Actually, there's a whole lot of these blackbirds. I think something's going on here. Maybe it's a graduation or a conference or something. No people. Every time I've come here, and I guess I've been here 3 or 4 times, I've seen almost no one. Like a handful. I understand that's computer science right opposite there. Biological sciences is here too. Actually, it's called the Building of Natural Sciences, so I don't quite know why computer sciences is here. It is a beautiful place though, and there's internet, and I can sit and work on my computer with these lovely birds coming and talking to me. Okay, I think they've all gone away, but I can hear them. They're on the roof. There's one on the roof up there. They're in the palm trees. This is a fabulous palm tree. It's not mucking around. It's palms all the way up. None of this fronds sort of flapping around in the air, 30 feet up in the air. This is, wow. March 7, 2025, University of Puerto Rico. Susanna J. Dodgson. Thank you for watching.